Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Seasoning we're in Pampanga. Nung familiar kayo po kay Ninggulot ko, you will immediately identify na ala ko po Pampanga ngayon. May record niya po ining vlog ini. It's June 12, 2019. Timpo nga duwang special occasion for today. We are celebrating Philippine Independence Day. And itang kakadwa po is today is our 3rd year anniversary for we're in Pampanga. So ito po. So we are celebrating those two occasions. So we are celebrating those two occasions kay ni Baguio City. And before that, we would like to thank our friends kay Battery Hub Pampanga for making this road trip possible. Before we continue, lawin tayo pa amoy ng shop da. Lawin nyo ni. Wait ka balen, so chukong ini kay Battery Hub. Lungubta mo, lawin tayo. Diba? Kasanting na ne. So, aluway nitang balang mo typical battery store na minsan, diba? Eta mo aiwasan ta. Minsan marinat, minsan ali organized. Pero pansinan nyo po kayo ni, look at the place. Sabi ko pin kaya ng owner, balang mo cafe yung tindahan mo. In this battery store, available na po from the local to the international brand. Of course, sa tintamong pinakamura up until ketang pinaka-high-end na battery na pantanan niyo. So, make sure to call them on these numbers. Yan, pakit ko lang po, i-flash ko lang po. And save that number in case of emergency. You can actually call them. Rin ko ngayon apininiing iconic Burnham Park and kayong gulot ko apininitang lake nung ka rin pwedeng mag-boat mga nyan. So habang git ko nandin, Battery Hub po is one of our partners for this road trip and this celebration. Kasantingan po karela, yung slogan da, Basta Battery Hub. Gawa daw pong strategic ding location da ring shop da, bangat ng accessible ya kaya katamo Pampanga in karelang tindahan. But metong pang service da actually is they deliver for free anywhere in Pampanga. So as early as 9 AM or 10 AM up until 5 PM nung mag-order ko po karela, the delivery is free. Installation is free as well. Grapes.
Grapes sir, 180, 200 sir seedless.
180 ang kilo.
Yes sir.
Kalahating kilo.
Kalahati.
Opo. Yung sa lychee, how much?
250 sir, 1 kilo.
Kalahating kilo din. So the time now is around 10 AM. Yeah, medyo mag-fruits kami pa mo. So these are lychees. Yan, 250 pesos per kilo. Yeah, charge to experience. Pag-business lang. Hey! Isa! Water. Kaya ba naman halimbawa may kailangan kayong battery at yung kayong dalan, mga yan, idayang bateryayo, pwede na kayong puntalan ng Battery Hub, buskin nyo ka rin kayong Pampanga. You can pay through cash or through credit card. Mas convenient pa yung kaya katamong pamamayad, karelang payment method. Once again, thank you Battery Hub Pampanga for sponsoring our road trip kay ni Baguio City. So let's celebrate Independence Day. Congratulations, we're in Pampanga for your 3rd year anniversary. Kabayan nyo kami po. So last time we were here, October last year, birthday ng Kaita, wife ko, ining Children's Park. And itabin last time at kami kayo ni medyo masyadong masanting kasi mapali kanita eh. So ngayon may nga urana na niya, yan o, madaka green. Naman na. Happy Independence Day and happy 3rd year anniversary we're in Pampanga. Woohoo! So kayong video ini, we would like to spoil some plans, ne? actually mid-start na pong ma-develop in kaya katamong mobile app. That's one. Number two, so reta pong kukutang yung t-shirt na for sale mga yan. Very soon, probably this month, ngayong June 2019, available na po, nala po ka ring Wear Kapampangan stores, all Wear Kapampangan stores, ang po kayong pabilis.ph. So, we're gonna be doing a separate video for that, pero for now, spoiler la para ito. Tanda rin ako. Wow! Ikaw? This is the end of our journey here in Baguio City. Last stop po namin is La Trinidad, Benguet. So, initang strawberry farm. Pansin nyo, ito sa ating Maragula strawberry farm. Let me quickly show you yung farm. Ayan, oh. So, kauran na kasi niya makatakap na rin. Something done, eh. So, ito minsan pa po. Salamat kayong pamanabe kayong kaya kaming video. Salamat mo naman kayong Battery Hub Pampanga for being partner with us for this road trip. And ito, hopefully mag-celebrate kayo pong Independence Day. And watch out for more plans kayong here in Pampanga. Itang kaya tamong t-shirt, itang mobile app tamo, and more. So here from Baguio City, salamat until our next discovery. Bye!